All right, some of you all will be bored just with the skeleton, so I wanted to cover a couple of things about the muscles. Okay, so we'll start out with our basic stick figure. So that we can add some muscles to that. First of all, the head's a little big, so we're going to cut off that, but that's okay. All right, so now for the arm is divided into a shoulder muscle, a bicep muscle, the elbow, a forearm muscle, and then the tendons going to the wrist, and the hand comes off of there. So you want to imagine that you want to draw all these parts. There's also a tricep muscle here. So if you can draw these circles and figure out where the muscles are, that's going to be really helpful when you want to make this person look strong. The size of these muscles will determine, and my arm is a little long for this, so we're going to go here actually. And we want all the parts. If you want to make these, so this muscle is probably a little bit big, so we're going to make this muscle a little bit bigger. And you can see how that starts to look like the muscle, but we want to add that to the skeleton. So we have the shoulder, we have the bicep, we have the tricep, which is on the bottom of the arm, we have the forearms, and we have the wrist, and then we have the hand. We come back, and we can trace around that if we just want the outside. A little bit of an elbow. And that's a pretty strong looking guy. All right, if it was a girl, they have the same muscles, but the shapes would be smoother. All right, and so you wouldn't have as many bumps, but you can see that now this arm could be a girl's arm because it is less defined. Now that's not because girls are less strong, it's because men have less tissue in their skin, which makes their muscles show a little bit more. Now for the chest has the upper chest, the rib cage, the stomach, and then the hips, all right? And one at the belt. So chest divides in half, all right? There's a bone that attaches from the shoulder down to the neck, and that divides in half. And these are a little bit curved here. Now, there is what people refer to as a six-pack, divided down the middle. First starts at the ribs, second, and then the bottom one actually goes under our belt. You have the hip muscles there, like so. Don't make them too defined. Nobody works out that much except for superheroes, which is not really as common. The leg muscles has the knee. You have a muscle that's curved on the inside and curved on the top. And don't worry, this guy's wearing shorts, so nobody freak out. There's a calf muscle. There's the bone that goes straight through, and there's going to be a little bit of the calf muscle on the other side. There's an ankle, a heel, the top of the foot, the ball of the foot, and that connects. And those are how we draw the basic muscles. But think of the parts. Think of circles. Think of rectangles. Think of how to make this easy to figure out where all the parts are. Okay, thank you much.